This video is a refresher video for the state of South Carolina with a new method included. So grab a pen, stay with me, and let's break it down. Welcome back to the channel, all of my lottery players, and if you are just tuning into the channel, it's nice to have you join us. So in the last South Carolina video that I posted, I showed you guys how the location keys showed where the day and night hits were located at in the 7036 and 2581 workout. Now if you guys don't remember, you need 4 date sums which will give you your location keys digits. You will start with the day that you're in first, then the day right behind the first one, then go back 3 days from the second one, and then back 3 days from the third one. Also, if you don't remember, you will always get the location keys for each day that you play and repeat this same process. Now I want you guys in South Carolina to continue to use that method because as of March 10th, 2026, that method is still going strong. In the meantime, I want to show you guys another method that you can use for your state. For today's example, I'll be using South Carolina date March 10th, 2026 to find our hit. So let's dive in. Now the way that you start setting up this workout is by taking the first digit off of your previous hit digit and put it for your starter digit in the workout. So for me, I will take my previous hit digit 1, which hit from the number that came out on March the 10th, 2026 evening time 1358 and put that digit for my starter digit in my workout. Here's what that looks like. Once you have your starter digit in place, you will now add your next 3 digits with it. The way that you get your next 3 digits to add with it is by counting up 3 from each digit. So for me, I will count up 3 from 1, which gives me the digit 4, then count up 3 from 4, which gives me the digit 7, then count up 3 from 7, which gives me the digit 0, and add them with my starter digit in the first row. This is what that looks like. Once you have those digits in place in the first row, you will now add down each row. When adding down each row, you want to stop before those top digit mirror digit shows. So for me, I will add down each row and stop before the top mirror digit shows. Here's what that looks like. After you have added each row, you now want to take those added numbers and put them horizontal beside your vertical numbers. So for me, I would take my added numbers and put them horizontally beside my vertical numbers. This is what that looks like. The reason why you want to take your vertical numbers and put them horizontally beside them is so that you can see them better. This really helps when looking for your hits. Now that you have your numbers set up vertically and horizontally, it's now time to find your location key. Now, unlike the other video, you will only use 1 location key and not 4 of them, and you will only add up the month and day in the month together and not the month plus day plus year together. The way that you find your location key is by getting it from the current day that you're in now. Once you have your location key, you will then use its mirror number and only circle that digit in the workout. So for me, I will add up my month and day in the month, which is March the 11th, which gives me the digit 4, then take the mirror digit to the digit 4, which is 9, and circle that in the workout. Here's what that looks like. Once you have your location key circled in the workout, it's now time to add your date sum digit in the workout too. Now the way that you get your date sum digit is by using the previous date. You will add that date up the same way just like you did for your location key. And you will also only circle its mirror digit in the workout. So for me, I will add my previous date, March 10th, which gives me the digit 3, then take its mirror digit from 3, which is the digit 8, and circle that in my workout. Here's an example of what that looks like. Now keep in mind, y'all, that you are to look at the numbers that are close and touching, because the majority of the time it's going to be one of those digits they pick, if not both of the close or touching digits. On March 11th, 2026, the number that hit on that day was 6771. Here's a side by side so you can see the way it came. Now the way that you find your night hits for the same day, you will take all the numbers that you have set up for your workout and mirror all of them. So for me, I would take my numbers from the workout that I currently have set up and mirror all of those numbers. This is what that looks like. Now after you have mirrored all your numbers in the workout, you now apply your date sum and location key. You will flip your location key digit only to its mirror digit. After you've done that, you will circle both digits in your workout. So for me, I will flip my location key digit 8 to its mirror digit, which is 3, and circle that digit and the date sum digit, which is 9, in the workout. Here's an example. On March the 11th, 2026, evening time, the number that hit for that night was 2826. Here's a side by side so you can see the way it came. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. There is more in store where that came from. And Marilyn, your video is up next, so make sure to be on the lookout. Thank you for watching and feel free to comment.